Hey, what is going on guys? It's Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to back up your WhatsApp chats. That's including your pictures and your videos. Why would you want to back up your WhatsApp chats? Well, if there's important chats in there that you want to hold on to, say for example you're changing phone and you want those chats to move across to your new phone, then this is how you do it. Now I will be doing this on an Android phone, and the thing to point out here is that if you're transferring from one Android phone to another Android phone, that's completely fine. Your chats will go across perfectly. However, if you are backing up, say for example from an iPhone and then going to a completely different platform which is an Android phone, then it is not possible to do it the way that I'm doing it. So, without any of that complicated stuff, I'm just going to show you now how to back up your WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp pictures, and WhatsApp videos. So, let's get into it. Okay, so what you want to do first of all is go straight into your WhatsApp. Okay, so let's do that now. And then if you hit the three dots in the top left hand corner and then go to settings. So here you have a few different options. Now what you want to go to is the second option down, which is chats. So I'm just going to tap on that, and then as you can see on down it says chat backup. This is the one that you want to pick to back up your chats. So let's do that. Okay, so at the top here now you can see that I am already backing up. My last backup was the 12th of August. So that was a couple of weeks back. And what I can do here where the backup button is just automatically start backing up my new pictures, my new videos, if I wanted to back those up. So I'll let that run through the backup first of all. Before you can even get to that point, you do need to make sure that you do have a, I'm going to cancel that actually because it's going to interrupt the video and that's not what we want. So you want to get into your account. It has to be a Gmail account if you're on Android. So I've picked my main Gmail account, and then where it says back up to Google Drive, I'm just going to tap on that, and then you have a few different options there. So you can select whatever option that fits you better. So there's never backup, only when I tap backup, daily, weekly or monthly. I have it set to monthly because my WhatsApp chats personally are not that overly important to me. I don't like to hold on to them if I don't need to. So backup over, you get the option to backup over Wi-Fi, which is what I prefer to do because it's not eating up your data allowance that you may or may not get each month. So if you select the bottom option there, Wi-Fi or cellular, you just run the risk of backing up and eating up a lot of your internet allowance. Now you can select the bottom option here to include videos. I haven't selected that, but you can decide what you want to back up. So just running through that again. So at the top this tells you whenever your last backup was there. Here you can select when you want to back up. Here you have to select your Gmail email address. Now if you don't have anything shown in there, all you have to do is hit add account and then add in your Gmail account. Again, what do you want it to back up over? Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and 3G or 4G? And do you want it to include videos? So that's how you back it up. Now, if you were transferring your data onto a brand new Android phone, then you would download your WhatsApp app. You would also log in to your Gmail first of all. And then whenever you go to type in your mobile number for your WhatsApp, it will pick up that you've automatically backed up your chats, and that will start to restore your chats onto there. So guys, that is how easy it is to back up your chats to your phone. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it helpful in any way, then give it a thumbs down and maybe leave me a comment on what I should improve on. And if this is your first time here, then welcome and thank you for tuning in. So until next time guys, you have been watching Supreme Guru.